Hey guys, and today I'm going to show you how bad it is outside. Don't know if you guys can hear, but listen. It's very windy out, and I'm going to show you what it actually looks like outside. It's not good at all. It's very windy. My hands are like falling right now, but sometimes there's big gusts of wind, and it's very bad. Look at our carport. That cloud over there doesn't look too good. We might have a really bad storm. Here. Just a sec, guys. Hey guys, and I'm out the window right now, and it's so stormy. Look. It's bad. See? Told ya. It's not good at all. Well, I guess. There's some really big gusts of wind every now and then. Oh, look! It's starting to rain. It's raining. If you look right close, you might be able to see it. That's what it's looking like on the ground. It's raining. So guys, I have to leave for a minute. I just got inside my room and you might be able to see it. It's not like it's good quality, but that's what it's looking like outside, guys. It's not very good. It's so windy out. You see that house in the frame? We call her the Wicked Witch. Her real name's Lindy or something, Cindy or Cindy Lou. It sounds like the name from the Grinch, Cindy Lou. It's like, look at this. Yeah, that's the camera. It's not, it's very bad out. You can see the green trees. Right there are like moving, but not too bad. And the tree that's a little covering the house over there is like not much moving, but it's supposed to get worse. Don't know if you guys can tell, but it's sprinkling outside. And yeah, it's not too good. Oh my god, look at the carport, guys. I can't see it. Look at this. Oh my god, there's a little rainbow. It's not much of a rainbow, but whatever. Look at this. So guys, if you didn't know, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Not a giveaway, but like shoutouts every day. If you guys go turn the notifications on, go to the comments below and say that you notifications on, you might get shoutout of the day and maybe you'll win a prize. I don't know. Gotta figure out something. But yeah, the weather's not good. Make sure to like and subscribe. Pray for me in the comments because it says that we might. There's been a lot of car accidents because of the ice. And yes, the snow did go because it melted because of the rain. Oh my god. You guys see that? That's crazy. My god, guys. Look over there. Holy frig. Oh my god. This is not good. And yes, I'm still vlogging on my tablet because my camera is still charging, and on the instructions it said that it needs to charge for a week, and it's been charging for 4 days, so 3 more days and then I can use it. If you guys like this video, thumbs up.